Welcome back, everyone, to another Bleak Rides. You know, it's been a long time coming. This has been the workhorse of my channel, the GoPro HERO8. Looking back, I started with a 7, upgraded to these 8s. Had the media mod, shoots in 2K, been a good little camera. And a while back I decided I'd try something different. Insta360 1X. Pretty cool, does some cool stuff, makes some cool shots. Doesn't always work well. Sometimes it films, sometimes it doesn't. Some of that could be user error. But today, I have something new for the channel. Today, I'm shooting on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. New little camera I picked up. It'll hopefully bring this channel into the 21st century.
Alright, made it with both cameras intact. Dip around, go back, do some comparisons, huh? Ace Pro sound and GoPro sound. Okay. Almost scrap the gas cap. Would have been good. So, the idea is to have one camera to rule them all. Because I don't have a lot of time for editing, having the ability to zoom on the cam body, pretty incredible. Easy click on and off. I do like that. No messing with thumb screws. Heck yeah. Let's do some stills. With the GoPro, I don't have necessarily the ability on the fly to do still shots. I can do pretty cool side shots. No zoom feature per se, and the GoPro app isn't what I'd call the greatest. So, I know what you guys are thinking, which one's better? Well, we've done the side-by-side. Here it is, here's the Insta. I've got it packed in the Explorer camera body. Kind of turns the camera into a little something more. It goes together in the very same way that the GoPro Media Mod does. Although made of a lot more premium materials. Got a completely adjustable screen. Great if you're vlogging, because now you can actually see what you're doing. Woo! Again, the built-in zoom option, incredible. Look at that go. Love it. This is going to be great for bike shows. On board, we got easy photo options, easy record options, time-lapse, pure video, time shift, road mode, so many modes, star-lapse, just for filming at night. You have all the modes. All right. Where was I? Star-lapse. Let's go back to photo. With the ease of a click, we've snapped a very nice high-quality photo. Options up to 50 megapixels, pure shot, 4.3, timer, all kinds of stuff to play with. Easy access to the gallery, easy access with the companion app on the phone. And nope, and there we go. Can scroll through filters on the fly. Right there, look how easy that is. And this camera has the option of different lenses. It's got a mic cover here if I don't want to do the active recording as much. Easy grab. Plus comes with cold shoe if I want to add on some mods. Right there, plug in. Now I've got my light, my shotgun mic, everything I need for a little face-to-face interview action with anybody. Pretty cool setup. I think this is really going to revolutionize motovlogging in a big way. I think there's a lot here to work with. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Good enough for me. Is it good enough for you?